In this video, I'll show you how to use a Godaddy domain here on Wix. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so here's the first thing we need to do is you need to log into both platforms, to your GoDaddy domain and here on Wix. And if you are already logged in, when you click on your icon in the top right corner, click on domains here, right? When you click on that, we will be given, as you can see right here, you have two options, which is buy a new domain name or connect a domain name you already own. Now, obviously, we have to connect our GoDaddy domain here. When you click on it, you will be asked to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain because connecting a domain, especially a GoDaddy here in Wix, is a premium feature, so you are required to upgrade, right? And of course, you're gonna save like 50%. Now, since I didn't connected my GoDaddy domain here on Wix, so I won't be able to move forward. But if you do, you would be able to see it on the search bar and just look for your or paste your GoDaddy domain. It would look something like this one. All right, so here it is. All I gotta do is add an existing domain, right? Connect a domain you already own. After doing so, just add a name server. All right, so it depends on your GoDaddy domain name. All I gotta do is click on save, right? That's it. That's how easy it is. That's it if you have a premium plan. So you need to upgrade first before you can able to connect your GoDaddy domain here on Wix, right? And if along the way you have problems connecting your GoDaddy domain here on Wix, all you're gonna do is contact the customer support and tell them you are having problems connecting your GoDaddy domain here on Wix. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, we will see you again in our next video.